Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to add some header things that we call header tags or meta tags. For meta tags, I already showed you one meta tag. This one is here mentioned to mention this in style CSS sheet external linking. Here I am going to add some meta tag. Here META META space character set. Okay, which are the character set we are using to mention that we are going to use. I am going to mention it UTF-8. Okay, and then closing it. And also I am going to add some meta tag, and this meta tag used to, as we resize our window, our text should also match the width. Now see, it's not resizing actually. Okay, to do it you must add some meta tag. Here inside this meta tag, meta name. Okay, meta name and AME meta name, that is equals to, in double quotes, viewport and then content. Okay, that content should be matched to which width is equal to device width device semicolon width. Okay, and comma initial scale 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 1 scale initial scale equals to 1, comma shrink to fit shrink to fit. Okay, equals no, and this and just save this and refresh. Now it's resizing. Okay, see, okay, I am just going to show you here only this one. Here double click, its contents already coming below. See, okay, thanks for watching.